by for this important message from station KN59.
The National Weather Service in Marshire has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Centennial County until 6:11 p.m. At 5:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located 5 miles west of the town of Besner and 20 miles south of the town of New Poland. This severe thunderstorm will likely produce a tornado within the next half hour. The storm may be extremely violent. Impact: trees and power lines will likely be down. Mobile homes and some freestanding buildings will be destroyed. Hazards include extreme winds, heavy rain limiting visibility, baseball-sized hail, as well as a potential tornado. Take action immediately. Move into the lowest floor of a sturdy building away from windows and doors. If you are driving or cannot find shelter, hide under a ditch and cover your head with your hands.